All the effects you will see in this film were exclusively generated by the PRIZM video workstation coupled to 3 Betacam machines. As technologies improve, the world seems to get smaller. The sophistication of film and video techniques brings the world of nature and of faraway places right into our homes. Video production has come of age and continues to grow. But as our command of the medium grows, so do the critical faculties of viewers and directors alike. This leads to increasing demands on post-production and editing facilities, who need to be sure that their equipment can keep pace with the creative imagination of their potential users. But all too often, the equipment proves to be a limiting factor. The digital effect in the mind of the creator is beyond the capability of the machine. Or a machine capable of the effect has proved to be prohibitively expensive. At least, that's the way it used to be, before the PRIZM. The Emmy Award-winning company, Pinnacle Systems, has developed a video workstation that not only facilitates the most active imagination, but does this with a style and a price that has placed it beyond any serious competitor. Offering true three-dimensional digital effects incorporated in a software-based system that will grow along with the ideas, the aspirations, and the economic priorities of your company. Even at its most basic, the PRIZM Video Workstation is a full-featured effects machine that creates real-time, three-dimensional manipulation on live or captured images, delivering results incomparable with any machine in its price range. Its repertoire of basic manipulations are complete, allowing true three-dimensional motions with variable perspectives. 3 independent motion worlds for unparalleled manipulation control, with sophisticated target level control which allows you to precisely place the end position. With the unique clipping, you can define visibility in all directions, providing extraordinary three-dimensional image effects. PRIZM includes a full bandwidth linear key output for external mixing of manipulated images. In addition to these manipulations, the PRIZM offers many stunning image effects as part of its standard package. Virtually any imaginable image effect can be performed, adding an artistic quality to your basic material. There's advanced border generation with the ability to fully control both inside and outside softness independently, with the unique ability to fade to black or to any other matte color. The PRIZM Video Workstation allows your own creativity full reign, unrestricted by the demands of complex programming. Its standard package includes a dazzling array of curvilinear effects, allowing you to warp an image into a limitless variety of shapes, in a straightforward and intuitive manner that's possible with all of its basic effect tools. The PRIZM puts a whole array of extraordinary and unique warp effects at your fingertips, allowing you the freedom to impose your own particular taste or style to a shape or effect by applying fully adjustable warp manipulations. The PRIZM caters to all demands. Popular effects like page turns and autocube are standard within the basic package. Pre-programmed sequences are supplied, which, thanks to the 3 available motion worlds, can be modified to suit your own preferences, bringing the most complex of page turn and cube effects immediately within reach. The availability of a dual-channel combiner as option makes it possible to create these effects in the fewest possible passes. But all aspects of the prism are geared to your own creative ambitions. Using its basic effect tools, you can create your own custom effects using the innovative sequencing features. Intuitive keyframe creation with tension, continuity, bias and weight, and path control. All manipulations and image or motion effects can be combined in a sequence. Sequence file management and sophisticated timeline functions allow you absolute control over your own customized creations under editor control for match frame effect edits. The Prism Video Workstation is conceived and created to assist you in pushing towards your own creative summit. In addition to its unrivaled flexibility, as a software-based system, its open architecture allows for a host of expansions and options that are tailored to grow with you, making it truly future compatible. The Prism Montage option encompasses 3 of the most desirable advanced functions in an advanced system. Three-dimensional multi-layering allows you to instantly paste manipulated images in the montage buffer in order to create layered collages. This still image layering can be done with full transparency control and can even erase parts of the layering. Self-key allows you to insert letters and logos as a layer. The recursive memory allows you to create decaying trails and motion blur effects, with adjustable length and decay period, making a series of effects possible that up until now may only have been dreamed of. The montage option also allows the creation of dynamic drop shadows, adding depth and realism to motion. The shadow's relative separation from the picture can be influenced by an imaginary light source that can be positioned anywhere. These shadows can be of any color and in any degree of transparency. Naturally, Pinnacle has also equipped the Prism with a flying key option for the easy and precise manipulation of irregular shaped images and keyed characters with or without shadow. A full bandwidth 8-bit linear input signal from character generator, graphic systems, or any other key source ensure perfect results thanks to the component RGB or YUV inputs. In keeping with Pinnacle's creative philosophy, the unique Prism Still Store gives you the edge over competitors. It gives you the ability to combine the power of the Prism's effects with a Still Store option that has the standard capacity to digitally freeze and store over 400 images. Stills can be stored with or without associated key signal and retrieved and manipulated with the Prism's powerful range of effects. This option, in concert with the Prism's advanced video effects, allows a dynamic presentation of video stills. Stored images can be arranged and played in order, interspersed with imaginative effects and transitions, creating an automated slide presentation. Stored images are accessed through name, number, or memo. Groups of images can be placed in directories for easy reference and retrieval. For those of us whose ambition and creative aspiration knows no bounds, Pinnacle has developed its most daring and innovative option, taking an exciting step into the rarefied world of three-dimensional computer graphics. The Prism Deviator allows the mapping of video images around three-dimensional objects, objects you can select from an ever-expanding library of pre-programmed animation sequences. The Deviator module consists of a single board that plugs into the Prism Workstation chassis and includes a large array of pre-programmed effects. But you're not limited to the delivered shapes and sequences. Sculpture modeling software used in a personal computer or graphic workstation puts the creation of your own concepts well within reach. Any conceivable shape created with the sculpture modeling software can be mapped with live video by the Deviator. carrying you one step beyond any former restraints on your own creative process. The Deviator embodies the pinnacle philosophy of bringing the impossible within reach. As the world of video continues to mature and grow, we are faced with a demand for wider imagination and stronger ideas. The ideas of our writers and directors are only as strong as our ability to realize them in the post-production environment. Surprise yourself with the technical quality and full 4224 processing. The ergonomics, elegance, and multi-format interfaces of the PRIZM video workstation make it suited to any post-production environment, making it the ideal tool not only for the requirements of today, but for the expansions and developments of tomorrow. A new global standard for integrated video production. The PRIZM Video Workstation, pushing back the borders, pushing for the top.